Hello and welcome to Capacity TV. Today we have Francois Eloy, EVP at Colt Communication Services. Francois, welcome.
Thank you. Good afternoon to you, Kavit.
Can you give us an update on Colt's European strategy?
As you know, Colt is a pan-European player. We operate in 13 different countries in Europe for more than 20 years now, and we continue to invest, in expanding our network coverage where we operate. So, for instance, last year we've connected more than 1,000 new buildings. So this is really the strategy, which is developing the assets on the ground, connecting the buildings onto the Colt network, which is about the last mile connections.
We've covered your one-stop shop strategy. Can you give us a bit of a background on this?
When we started the business at Colt, we used to operate on a metropolitan basis in many cities, and then we started getting more global customers, and we need to build our own organization based on the customer needs, and the customers wanted us to operate as a single and seamless organization. So this is what we did. And we are today a truly pan-European as a one-stop point of contact for last mile connections across Europe. So customers' benefits are pretty straightforward. They spend less energy, less people, and they can really focus themselves on their own business. And they are more and more relying on our capabilities across Europe.
Do you think customers require more services now, which is why they need services like Colt's?
I believe that the customers, they will be focusing much more on value-add services on their own. And this is why, again, they need to rely on, I think it's probably back to the basics. The days whereby everybody was doing a bit of everything are over. It's about being experts, and everything we do, you need to become market leaders. So we do it. Our really service as a one-shop, assets, optimizing the assets, last mile connection, this is our range of services across Europe.
And how would you describe the European market at the moment, considering your position as a global broadband?
It's been quite an interesting year. We've started seeing some consolidation. We just got through the announcements of Deutsche Telekom acquiring GTS. We saw Vodafone with Cable & Wireless. I think the consolidation days are not over. If you want to succeed, you need to become market leaders. I believe we are market leaders today in Europe, and that's why we continue to invest. It's challenging days in Europe, but if you do well what you're doing, then you get the growth. So we are growing the business on access, even in Western Europe countries, even though it's tough days.
What is your core strategy for 2014?
To keep going. To work as close as we can from our customers, to continue to invest in the network, continue to invest in make our customers' life easier when they make business with Colt. So we continue to invest in tools and systems, automation. And this is quite interesting days to come. Working with programs and projects with customers when it comes to APIs, e-bonding, portal, self-service applications. So this is where savings will be coming from as well, both from the customers and the suppliers.
Francois, thank you for joining us today on Capacity TV.
Thanks to you, Kavit. Thank you very much.